हेलो स्टूडेंट्स टेक्निकल ज्ञान ज्योति चेनेल तुम्हारे स्वागतम जानाइছো। तुम्हारे जो चेनेल नतुनक आइसा तेनेह'ले अवश्य चेनेलटोक सबस्क्राइब करिबा जाते नतुन नतुन भिडिओ आपलोड दियार लगे लगे तुम्हारे पाई जोৱা। आजिर এই ভিডিওটোত আমি আলোচনা কৰিম কিছুমান মডেল কুৱেশ্যন কেমিষ্ট্ৰিৰ কিছুমান মডেল কুৱেশ্যন যিবিলাকে মেডিকেল বা ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰৰ এন্ট্ৰেন্স এক্সাম দিম বুলি ভাবি আছে বা যিবিলাকে সেকেন্ড ইয়াৰত ৰেগুলাৰ কৰি আছে সেইবিলাকৰ কাৰণে এই ভিডিওটো খুবই ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট, কাৰণ ইয়াতে কিছুমান মডেল কুৱেশ্যন আমি আলোচনা কৰিম। এই মডেল কুৱেশ্যনবিলাক যদি তোমালোকে সমাধান কৰিব পাৰা বা কনসেপ্ট ল'ব পাৰা তোমালোকৰ বৰ্ডৰ পৰীক্ষাত বা যিকোনো কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামত তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে সুবিধা হ'ব। সো এক নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো চোৱা। এক নম্বৰ এই কুৱেশ্যনবিলাক এলডিহাইড কিটোনছ এণ্ড কাৰ্বক্সিলিক এচিড এই টপিকৰ মানে এই লেসনৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰি এইবিলাক মই প্ৰস্তুত কৰিছোঁ। এক নম্বৰটো চোৱা। দ্য ৰিয়েজেন্ট উইথ which both acetaldehyde and acetone react easily is reagent. There are 4 reagent here: filling solution, Grignard reagent, Schiff's reagent, Tollens reagent. Among 4 these reagent which reagent is react very easily with acetaldehyde and acetone. For this, to solve for this question, you have to know the reactivity or reducing character of aldehyde and ketone. Acetaldehyde is an example of aldehyde and acetone is example of ketone. So properties or reactivity of aldehyde or reactivity of acetone you have to know. So filling solution, with filling solution aldehyde reacted but not ketone. Grignard reagent, Schiff's reagent and Tollens reagent. এই চাৰিটাৰ ভিতৰত কোনটোৱে এচিটন আৰু এচিটেলডিহাইড সোনকালে বিক্ৰিয়া কৰিব সেইটো উলিয়াব কৈছে। এতিয়া তোমালোকে জানা ফিলিং সলিউশনৰ লগত এলডিহাইডে বিক্ৰিয়া কৰে, বাট কিটোন ডু নট শো টেষ্ট উইথ ফিলিং সলিউশন। কিটোন ডু নট শো পজিটিভ টেষ্ট উইথ Schiff's reagent and Tollens reagent also. So only option B, Grignard reagent. And Grignard reagent is such a reagent that react with both acetaldehyde and acetone or aldehyde and ketone. So option number B is correct. Question number 2. When acetaldehyde is heated with filling solution, it gives a precipitate of. That means when we react acetaldehyde with a filling solution, then what is the product will be formed. For this you have to know filling solution. What is filling solution? Filling solution is a ammonical copper sulfate solution. So what is the reaction? At first you have to write the reaction. See, for example, RCH, so this is a aldehyde plus 2CuOH2 plus NaOH, RCOO Na plus 3 water plus Cu2O precipitate. That Cu2O is called cuprous oxide. So this cuprous oxide is a precipitate of red color in the reaction of aldehyde. So when we react acetaldehyde or heated acetaldehyde with a filling solution, then we will get the red ppt of cupric oxide. So option number C is correct. And you have to know what is filling solution. There are 2 types of filling solution A and filling solution B. এই বিষয়ে আমি পিছতৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। Question number 3. You see the question number 3. Cannizzaro reaction is not given by To solve this question, you have to know what is Kenizer reaction. Kenizer reaction is such a reaction of aldehyde which have not no alpha hydrogen, মানে যেবিলাকৰ কোনো আলফা হাইড্রোজেন না থাকে সেইবিলাকে কি কৰে Kenizer reaction দেখুৱায়. For example, HCHO. The name of this compound is formaldehyde, or we write formaldehyde in this way also, HC double bond to H, and there is no alpha hydrogen because there is no carbon attached with this carbonyl group, and that is why there is no alpha hydrogen in formaldehyde. So formaldehyde, this option is not correct because Kenizer reaction is not given by, so this is not. And option A, trimethyl acetaldehyde. Formula of trimethyl acetaldehyde, so CH3CHO. So this is the formula of trimethyl acetaldehyde, and in this compound there is no alpha hydrogen because this hydrogen we have write in this way, hydrogen here double bond. So in this carbon there is no hydrogen, so it has no alpha hydrogen. So Kenizer reaction is not given by trimethyl acetaldehyde. And benzaldehyde also has no alpha hydrogen, so this option is also not correct or incorrect. And formaldehyde does not show Kenizer reaction, so option number C, acetaldehyde. So we have to say acetaldehyde, formula of acetaldehyde CH3CHO acetaldehyde. So CH3 C double bond to C hydrogen. So here this is a carbonyl group, and carbonyl group and attached with this carbonyl group, and with this carbonyl group another methyl group present here. So this hydrogen is a alpha hydrogen, so acetaldehyde contains alpha hydrogen, and Kenizer reaction is not given by acetaldehyde because this has alpha hydrogen, and Kenizer reaction is a reaction thus has no alpha hydrogen. So option number C is correct. Question number 4. Formaldehyde and acetaldehyde may be distinguished by Schiff's reagent, Fehling solution, hypoiodide, Tollens reagent. That means, how can we distinguish between formaldehyde and acetaldehyde? For distinguish, you have to know the function of all these things. A number, Schiff's reagent. What is the function of Schiff's reagent? And Fehling solution and Tollens reagent. Schiff's reagent, Fehling solution, Tollens reagent, all three reagents act with aldehyde, that is formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, and produces respected product, but hypoiodide does not react with aldehyde, and that is why formaldehyde and acetaldehyde can be distinguished by hypoiodide, because all these three react with aldehyde but hypoiodide does not react. So option number C is correct. Question number 5. Reduction of ketones by zinc mercury HCl is known as. That means, what is the name of the reaction? The reagent is zinc and mercury upon HCl. So Killimann reduction, MPB reduction, Wolff-Kishner reduction, Rosenman reduction. So this is Killimann reduction, because in Killimann reduction the reagent is zinc mercury amalgam or upon HCl, zinc mercury amalgam upon HCl. So what is Killimann reduction? For example, CH3 CHO acetaldehyde when react with because this is a reduction, so 4 hydrogen zinc mercury amalgam upon HCl, then what will be the product? The product will be CH3 CH3 ethane. So this is a hydrocarbon, and this is the most important reaction, Clemmensen reduction. So correct option is option number A. Question number 6. Primary alcohols on fast oxidation give that means oxidation of alcohol. If we oxidize primary alcohol on at first time, then what will be the product? Aldehyde, ketones, both of the above, none of the above. Option number A is correct, aldehyde, because when we oxidized primary alcohol at a first time, then aldehyde is formed, and again further oxidation taken place, then aldehyde converted into ketone, and again when we oxidized, then ketones converted into carboxylic acid. So on first time, when primary alcohols on fast oxidation give us aldehyde. So option number A is correct. Question number 7. In Cannizzaro reaction, aldehyde is converted into alcohol is converted into aldehydes, primary amine is converted into isocyanide, and option number D, acid is converted into amine. So in Cannizzaro reaction, we know that which has no alpha hydrogen, that compound shows Cannizzaro reaction.